Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at subtracting fractions. So the question reads 1 and 3/7 subtract 4/7. So what do we do? First things first, as you can see, we've got a mixed fraction. We need to convert this. So how do we convert this? We do 7 times 1 plus 3. So what's 7 times 1? It's 7 plus 3 is 10. We got 10 over 7. Subtract, this stays as it is, so 4 over 7. Now, because the denominator is the same, all we do when subtracting the fractions is we subtract the top, the numerator. So we've got, as you can see, 10 and 4. So what we do is 10 take away 4, which gives us 6 over 7. Okay, nothing happens to the denominator. If it's the same, you just transfer it over here. Okay, so that's the rule. For you to add or subtract fractions, you need to make sure the denominator is the same. So in this case, as the denominator is the same, all we do is subtract the top. And our final answer is 6 over 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.